And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, via subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasted test video. And what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Choco Dip Strawberry Blizzard. So this is one of their flavors for the fall. So before I jump into this video, like I said, it's a flavor for the fall, so it is limited edition. Now that we said that, this should be interesting because this is like strawberry, and I'm and I'm saying a fan of strawberry. I like the way how it tastes, so this should be interesting. Choco dip strawberry blizzard. So this should be fun. So they dropped 5 flavors for the fall. This is like the 4th one that I'm trying. Only one more remaining after this. This smells really good. Strawberry, man. Strawberry never seems to disappoint. So we will try this and then we will see how it's sitting. And then rank it from 1 to 10. That always amazes me. So that's what we will be doing. So let's get into it, because this is like teasing me. Okay. Okay. I guess these little these little things are what they call choco. Maybe like chocolate. Okay, Dairy Queen. This is amazing. Like the flavor, magnificent. So it's called Choco Dip Strawberry. So I'm wondering if Choco is for, like, say, chocolate, because like there's some little stuff inside it that sort of tastes like chocolate. There's like small small bits of strawberry in it. Yo, the flavor is literally bussin'. One thing about strawberry, they never seems to disappoint. Or maybe because I'm like used to strawberry, that's why. Oh my god. I literally just remember while I was trying it. I remember it's not like a eating challenge. It's like me trying it, but it's literally tasty. And I literally just said that, and look at me again. Okay. I give this literally 9 out of 10. Like, the flavor, marvelous, bro. And the choco dip, I feel like that's like, say, some little bits of chocolate. Maybe, I don't know why they couldn't say chocolate dip. But it is stunning. Like, this was literally, I feel like this is like the 2nd best one out of 5. Either 2nd or 3rd best one. Choco dip strawberry. Like, I don't know, man. I feel like because I'm like used to strawberry, I don't know why they didn't come out with like raspberry, because lately whenever I try some stuff with raspberry, it's like similar to strawberry, but the flavor is like different. But I wish they had a something with raspberry, man. That way I can like compare the strawberry to the raspberry, but fortunately, no. But this choco dip strawberry, literally busting. I swear this is either the second best flavor or the third best flavor. Sorry, I can't remember the tastes of the other ones because I did the other ones like last week and then I tried different things. This is why I wanted to do like all of them like back to back. You know what I mean? Like videos after video after video with all of them, but can't because I got a lot of things going on. But literally 9 out of 10. I swear to God. I'm trying to think to see if it's the second best flavor or the third best flavor, but I think it's one of them. But bro, literally, I recommend you get this before it's gone. And remember, it is limited edition, so it is going to go away. It's for the fall. 5 new flavors for the fall. You might want to get them before it's gone. And they have a blizzard for the month. That's like there's strawberry, no, sorry, pumpkin pie blizzard. Yeah, that's what it's called. I literally forgot what it's called. I already tried that. That one was also busting, but this is magnificent. This is something that even maybe kids can enjoy. Because like literally when I was trying it, I was about to like eat everything on the video. Then I was like, no. I'm like trying it. So it's not an eating challenge. It's like trying it. So why am I trying to finish it? Like literally, if I take a couple more bites, then I would have been like half. But it's crazy. Like the flavor is delicious. And that's how I know when I'm enjoying stuff, when I'm like taking bites after bites after bites. But this literally delicious. So if you're a person that say likes strawberry, and I feel like it's chocolate, even if it's a choco dip, I feel like it's trying to say chocolate, but it's delicious. You will enjoy it. Make sure you get it before the fall or before winter, because these flavors is for the fall. So guarantee you by say the end of November or December, it's gonna go away. So make sure you get it before it's gone. Trust me. I would never lie to you. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. I will be back trying and doing a bunch of stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.